Hi, welcome to another episode of Hot Takes. Ros Foyer is the General Secretary of the Scottish Trade Union Congress. She's not an expert in pandemics, of course. That's not her field at all. But she has said something which I think everyone can agree with regards to pandemics. And that is that Scotland is not prepared for the next one. They said that the next equivalency pandemic that comes Scotland's way will not be handleable. It will basically have to go national. We couldn't deal with it as a Scottish nation, she says, simply because there isn't the resources. The hospitals are already overflowing. There is no access to healthcare as it stands, and there's no plans to increase it. She says if another outbreak broke now, there would be no respite. There would be no hiding place, and Scotland would literally collapse overnight, the NHS imploding. She says, and yet the government, who know this, are doing nothing in preparation. And she says the very nature of pandemics is they do happen from time to time. And when your health service that they've got now is so stretched, so thin, it's like cling film. You can see through it. It's that thin in parts. Then it's got no chance of dealing with an uptick in infections. She said, and it doesn't even have to be something like COVID. It could just be a normal flu infection, something like that. And it would break the NHS. She said Unison and Unite and the GMB, all the big public sector unions, are all in agreement. Something needs to be done. She's saying at the moment, the SNP are doing nothing. Well, they haven't done anything for years. I don't know why now all of a sudden it's come out as being important. What do they know that we don't? But she does say that lessons haven't been learnt, that the wrong decisions were made, often for political reasons, not for medical reasons. Ain't that the truth? And that people should not be making decisions based on ego, but doing it out of what is necessary. She didn't go quite so far as to say follow the science, because that's always dodgy to do. You follow the science on thalidomide and see what happens. But, you've got to be better prepared. And what you must do is put in the most important thing of all, money. Lots and lots of money. But not for the SNP, though. The only money they spend is on independence. Don't get ill. Thanks very much. Bye.